Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the CapCut Cloud Storage or CapCut Space to sync multiple devices. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and if you want to use the CapCut Cloud Storage or the CapCut Space, we have to log into CapCut. We can log into CapCut with our TikTok account, Google account, or Facebook account. You can go to the section, then you just need to log in with the account you choose. And as you can see guys, here I have logged in with my TikTok account, and after we have logged into CapCut, we will be able to access the CapCut Cloud Storage. You can go back to the edit section, and this is the CapCut Space or CapCut Cloud Storage. We just need to click on the space, and if you want to use this CapCut Cloud Storage, you just need to click on the plus button to upload your project to the cloud storage. And I'm just going to click on this plus button and select upload draft, and you can choose the project you want to upload. For example, I'm going to upload this project, then we can click on upload. Okay, and now the project is being uploaded, and if you want to sync multiple devices, you can log in with the same account on another device, and after you have logged in with the same account, you will be able to access this project or the project you have uploaded to your CapCut Space on another device. Alright guys, and that's how we can use the CapCut Cloud Storage. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.